The Order of Malta's national associations and Malteser International, the worldwide relief agency of the Order, are present along the journey of asylum seekers, refugees and migrants in 30 countries across the globe. Refugees fleeing Syria are met at the Malteser International Field Hospital in Kilis on the Turkish border. Rescue teams in the southern Mediterranean are the first to reach refugees and migrants escaping by boat. Asylum seekers on the European mainland receive medical care, legal assistance, and take part in programs to help them integrate with the local population. And it brings me to my third point: global solidarity and local integration. Indeed, I will give some examples of what the Order of Malta is doing in Albania, in France, in Turkey, in Germany, to improve the integration of refugees and migrants. The first case is in Germany, with Malteser Werke, assisting migrants since 1989, illustrated its wide-ranging reception and integration plan that includes courses in the German language and culture, psychosocial support, entry into employment, and specific pathways for people with disabilities and victims of human trafficking. And following the first phase of emergency assistance, Malteser Germany created integration services to make migrants familiar with the German society and culture, such as religious tolerance, the role of women, the rule of law, and the like. These units also generated a platform for Germans to meet individual migrants, which in turn allowed for a total different image of migration, as opposed to fearing the influx of hundreds of thousands of foreigners. In the field of healthcare, the Order's medical foundation, Malteser Migrantenmedizin, provides free medical care for migrants, refugees, and others who cannot afford medical insurance. Furthermore, during the high influxes in 2016, special medical services targeted diseases that are typical for migrants. Some 40 special units for unaccompanied minors help children overcome the trauma of life-threatening experiences during their journey. Of particular interest among examples is the approach to support refugees in host country is an innovative model of pilots for integration. Looking for a long-term solution to help integrating refugees and migrants more easily into society, Malteser has begun to employ and train so-called integration guides. Integration guides support migrants and refugees in overcoming challenges of daily life in their new host country, such as finding appropriate schools and childcare, learning German, making purchases, visiting doctors, communicating with governmental authorities, screening for job possibilities, and simply being part of society. Furthermore, this kind of support by the civil society is transferable to governmental or institutional implementation in an engagement of private and public partnerships. Several German local and regional authorities have already adopted this approach to overcome language barriers with foreign language speaking people. France, too, provides assistance for integration of refugees and migrants. It specializes in legal assistance for religious minorities fleeing from persecution and for immigrants kept in detention facilities. In Turkey, and I'm happy to greet here the Turkish ambassador, in Turkey, in Kilis, Malteser International helps Syrian refugees integrate in Turkey with Turkish languages courses and also preparing Syrian refugees to be repatriated. And allow me to say also that the Swiss Association is now supporting an awareness campaign organized by the Swiss Confederation, cantons, and IOM. Human trafficking is indeed, as you know, the negation of all human rights, human dignity, freedom, health of victims of contemporary slavery. The last point, Mr. Chair, the orders, humanitarian diplomacy in Rome, New York, and Geneva, among other places, plays an important role in staying informed about local and international issues, learning from others, raising awareness, and building partnerships. And I would like to conclude by referring to the now widely recognized special role of faith-based organizations and religious institutions in the protection and integration of migrants in host countries. Due to their local roots, they can be providers of both material and spiritual assistance. With its practical support, the Order of Malta therefore aims to combine a spiritual dimension so as to foster resilience and understanding between the different communities, such as by establishing a prayer room in every one of its facilities. Solidarity, indeed, is not only material or social, but also spiritual. Thank you, Mr. Chair.